Now onto the final trade of the day with some more summer stocks coming from Trader Scott.
This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy, and summer is here. What does that mean for the market? What does that mean for overall trade? Typically, it's a little bit quieter over the summer. Maybe volatility is a little bit lower, but we're in anything but typical times right now. But a couple stocks that I have my eye out on for summer and maybe even going into a little bit later in the year. Totally different sectors. First one is CSX. I believe that with the infrastructure plan that is coming out of Washington and all of the focus on infrastructure, this is a great play. When you combine the fact that we've had massive supply constraints, right? The supply chains all over the world have been bogged down. That's going to start easing up at some point here, hopefully sooner rather than later. And when that happens, transportation here is going to be so important. So that's why I really like CSX for the combination of, a buildup of the infrastructure bill and then also an ease on the supply chain constraints. Secondly, and this was definitely a huge pandemic play that got hurt just a short while ago, I love Peloton. I don't love it quite as much here maybe as when the unfortunate news came out about the treadmill instances just a while back here, but I love Peloton. Even on a reopening, what people have to remember is Peloton bought Precor a few months back, earlier in the year. And Precor is the #1 fitness brand that is in health clubs all across the country. Those machines are going to start being replaced by Peloton machines. So I think Peloton is really well set to continue the stay at home, if you will, for people that maybe aren't going back into gyms or health clubs. And then also for the people that are, they're going to start seeing Peloton equipment in these health clubs, which is going to lead to more subscription-based opportunities for Peloton. So those are two stocks that I have my eye out for the rest of the summer going into the third quarter of the year. Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.